if they will work with brown eggs, they recommend you using white eggs. You see right there? A white egg, and I'm using brown eggs. Hopefully it will work. So the ingredients I have inside the box is this. It's this white whipped powder, and it comes with red, green, blue, yellow. And I have my watch, the time, scissors, warm temperature, well, not warm, but room temperature for 1/3 cup of water. 3 plates, which I'm using. You can use a cookie tray or saran wrap, which I'm using plates. And I have this automatic whipper, and I have a bowl and the eggs, of course. So first, I'm going to take the Paas whipped powder and then cut the top off. There we go. Whew! Doesn't smell good. Put it all in. Okay. And then get your water, pour it in. Okay, now that I have my powder and my water in, I have my watch, which I showed you, and it has a timer of 3 minutes right now, but it's not going. I'll start it when my power mixer is in here, and always keep your power mixer down in it, because if you lift it up and powder goes everywhere, your mom's not going to be happy about that. And you're going to want to mix it for 3 minutes. So, 3 minutes, start. Continue and continue until my 3 minutes is done. Timer done. Yeah, it's foam now. And now we're going to put it on these 3 plates, and then we're going to add our food coloring. Yeah. They supply you with some gloves, but I'm not going to use them because I'm going to be neat. And now I'm going to spoon this foam onto these plates. I'm trying to make this even as possible. I've got as much as I can, and now we are going to add our coloring. I would recommend wearing a paint shirt, which I'm wearing, and if you would look on the back of my shirt, you can see the archery place. That's where I did it. They made balloons with paint in them. We shot them with a bow, and then, and then paint went everywhere. We'll be adding our coloring, and you can make different colors. Whoa. This stuff comes out fast. A little bit of everything. Mostly green. And red. Yes. And then mostly yellow. Some blue. Yeah. I'm just going to use all my resources. Mom, can you get a close-up of this mixing process? Don't over-mix because it'll be one consistent color, which you don't want. Okay, that's all. Take your egg and dip it in your foam with color. I need a spoon. It's okay to have it thick because it's gonna take 5 minutes to let it sit, and then you're gonna wash it off. It comes with this box that it comes with, and you can use that to put your eggs in. These are heavy. Okay, one done. Take this spoon. If you don't want your hands dirty, that's why they supply you with some gloves. Oh, my hand. Now, let's mix this one with all. Oh, it's green! Oh. When you first touch it, it feels so disgusting. But when you start to touch it more, it feels so cool. Oh, I'm getting it on my arm. Oops. Oh, it feels so cold. It's green. I guess this will be a zombie egg. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and these are supposed to wait for 5 minutes. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Peace. Now it's the moment of truth. My eggs have been sitting for 5 minutes. And now, let's see if the colors stay on. Oh, that's cool. Right now, this one's the king. This one's not as bad, but... Uh-oh. Here comes the messy one. It isn't working out as planned. Oh my. This guy definitely replaces that. Oh, whoa. Oh, no. This guy replaces that guy. No, this guy replaces this guy. Last and final one. I would give it, out of 10 stars, I'll give it a 5, 10, 8, 1. Because the brown eggs did not catch its color that much, we tried white eggs, and I think they're gonna work perfect. And I got this green egg, I got this orange egg, yellow, and mixed. These 3 are mixed. So we don't know what these 3 might do. So we just mixed them, and then these 3 are normal. Now we will rinse the eggs off and see if the color stays on. Start to rinse off the eggs. Whoa! This guy? Really cool. King. And then another. Whoa. These eggs look like a purple galaxy. Huh. King. What? They're the same color again? Oh! No. This guy came. Here's the yellow one. Oh! That's cool. It's pink. I thought it was gonna be some other color. Just pretend this one is here, okay? And then that will be all for this egg project. Like and subscribe for more King Jimmy videos.